All right, we are live on all of our streaming platforms here at JEC World 2026, and I have Emmanuel already free.
Bourguignon.
Bourguignon.
Yeah.
And Celia Martin Perez of Toray Advanced Composites, both joining me this morning. We're going to be talking about their Innovation Award. They were, let's see here. Who do we have over here? I don't think we can get him quite in yet, but we'll maybe we can swap him in here.
Yeah, we have Anthony Mias from Daya, one of our partners.
Okay. Yeah. So I got to mention this for the intro. So one of the Innovation Award winners here at JEC World focuses on a major challenge facing the aerospace industry. What to do with high-performance composite materials when aircraft reach end of life. And so that's why I have my guest joining me today. We're going to be talking about Toray Advanced Composites and their partnership. And they're showcasing a circular solution reusing thermoplastic composite structures from retired 380 aircrafts to create new aerospace components. So congratulations, you all, for the award.
Thanks.
Glad to have you all joining me today. We've got a full crew here, a lot of people. So first of all, tell us a little bit about this project.
Shall I go? So
we can start with you, man.
Yeah. Thank you for having us, Jonathan.
Absolutely.
This is essentially a partnership between Daher, Tarmac Aerosave, Airbus, and of course Toray Advanced Composites. And the goal is to assess how we're gonna recycle and reuse, actually in this case, thermoplastic composites. And so we know CFRP has a big role to play in decarbonization, making the aircraft lighter going forward. But then the question that we're trying to address is how we're going to recycle these aircraft, and that's the case we've been looking at.
Yeah. What is the biggest challenge in because aerospace, nothing happens quickly, right?
Correct.
So what is the biggest challenge when you're taking a part like this from an old component from a 380 to recycle and getting the validation and approval? What are the challenges there?
I can do that.
To me, the main challenge is to convince Airbus that we are able to produce a part with the same characteristics, the same quality, made from an old material that already flew like 15 or 20 years. But thanks to the versatility of the material and the ability of the thermoplastic to be heated and formed again and again, we have not proved that we are able to make such a part the same quality as a serial production with a new material by applying the same manufacturing process. When we manufacture these demonstration parts, we did not make any changement. The same manufacturing line, the same parameters. We just took panels that already flew from an old aircraft instead on a new flat material. And now we have to convince Airbus and the airlines that these parts are as good as the new one, but thanks to that we can reduce the scraps and I hope the price of the future parts.
Yeah, so we're showcasing on the screen, if you're watching live, you can see some of these. So let's highlight some of the benefits here that we're discussing. So not only are we reusing these components, talking about circularity. By the way, what the total collaboration? I didn't mention that at the beginning. It's Daher.
So Daher, Toray Advanced Composites, Airbus, and Tarmac Aerosave. So Tarmac Aerosave retrieved the parts from the retired aircraft, and Daher and Airbus are working on the process and using the material is the Toray Advanced Composite material, CTEX, to name it.
Do you see more projects like this? I mean, for collaboration, I see more and more examples of companies collaborating with, material suppliers, collaborating with other companies to get this approved. I mean, that seems to be the model to make this work.
I would say this is a big subject. So
Yeah.
a big subject needs a big team. That needs a lot of expertise.
Right,
So,
right.
So I do see that going forward, those collaboration must be developed to find a way on how we're gonna recycle those aircraft going forward.
So talk about the composite. You have a what is the CTEX TC 1100?
Right. Go on, talk about it.
Well, TC 1100 is a Toray material, a PPS based with carbon fiber.
Mm-hmm.
It is utilized, I think that maybe Emmanuel can talk a little bit more, but it is utilized on the A380. Toray have been making parts for the last, I don't know how many years.
Maybe 20 years already,
Yeah. And so a flying part that we were able to recover and to track it back to place it in the new A320.
Okay.
This process, and what we are aiming to do is to re-qualify it, I would say, so that it can be installed on an A320. So we have a proof of concept, the team knows how to do it, and now we have to go to the next step, which is making sure it can be installed on the new aircraft again.
So if this model proves scalable, how do you see it changing? Or make other aerospace companies design structures?
They can design the future structures by already thinking that at the end of the life that will be not wasted and scrapped, that will be used again and again.
This is amazing. I mean, congratulations on the innovation report. I did mention I was going to mention briefly on the you were also a finalist for the tennis racket. You can talk briefly about that. Focuses on the 3 days of purpose.
It's all right, it's important to have a full sustainability approach, reduce the amount of trash, reduce the amount of energy we're consuming in our plants. And so this one was with a sister company of Toray Plants Composites. And they made it to finalist. And I'm proud of what they did and what they achieved for sure.
Yeah, I was reading about it. Yep, fantastic. Rapid is a form of things.
Yeah. You have to try it now.
Yeah, I have to try it for sure. Well, where can our listeners, people watching this, we have this streaming now at the bottom. You know where people find the booth location of the show?
It's 6.
Oh, 06?
Yeah.
Well,
And 5.
and 5. It's a big location. I've been by it.
And also on all six G62.
All 6.
Toray, and they're already close by.
Okay. Say that one more time.
All 6 G62.
G62. If you're walking the show floor, if you see this live stream, check them out. Go visit them. It's an incredible, it's amazing work that you do. And congratulations on the innovation as an innovation.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you very much. Thanks for your time.